for you with me being out of the picture.
Okay.
Mama, grab me a shirt. I don't want everybody to see my man boobs and stuff.
They're not man boobs. They're chesticles.
Oh, chesticles.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, that's something new on me.
that's a new one on me too.
You can quit saying I have
Yes.
man boobs now, woman.
Yeah,
I have
chesticles.
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 Gotcha.
Or mammary glands.
Memory.
Not mammary, but
mammary.
mammary.
Memory.
Uh-huh.
Memory glands is what the.
I'm thinking there was something else we had said you needed to get from the store, and I can't remember what it is. But it was more than coffee.
Coffee's all I remember. Energy drinks.
Oh, that might help.
I think it was up like 4 pounds each or something.
Do they have the 4-packs?
I think they did.
I guess that was it. We've got stuff for the meal tonight if we ever get to cook.
Yeah, we got breakfast tomorrow and lunch.
Making some
And I was
guacamole
thinking
peeps.
on that chicken, we could use some of that same batter I got for the fish last night. I kind of like that better. It's a light cornmeal-y. What do you think there, Master Chef? I guess that's it as the coffee.
To bread the chicken in?
We have this. Oh, that's when you did the wet dry with that biscuit.
Oh, is that what it was?
When we did that pickled chicken, that's when I was going to teach you the wet.
Right.
Wet hand dry.
Well, I already know that. I just not coordinated enough.
Water is when I came here before.
You what now?
A bottle of water.
Okay. When you taking your ferocious killer beast that's
No, it's
shadowing you?
No, it's hot and muggy out there.
She just said you were hot and muggy.
I know it.
No,
You
I
hear
said
that?
It's hot and muggy outside, and I hate to
I'm
lock
just
the
like
van
that.
up.
Now, have you ever grown your seeds there and turned them into plants?
These right here?
Yeah.
No, sir.
She's got several. If you like pineapple, she'll do that too. Is that camera getting what you're doing?
Yep.
I'm
Okay.
back, guys.
Love you.
Love you, sweetheart.
She'll take pineapple and we'll cut it off and cut the top and leave her quite a bit of the top. And
Mm-hmm.
she'll grow it. She grows them damn things too. Matter
Really?
of fact, she probably.
Or they're like
Right.
vines with leaves and stuff on them.
Oh, bud, yeah. I know she had some outside.
Mm-hmm.
Right down there is some that evidently didn't
Those
take.
aren't looking good for some reason.
No, those
Oh, you
go
suspend them
away.
with two? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You put 'em in
I've
the
seen that
rock till they
before.
root.
Yeah.
They'll split and put out a root.
Don't you have some at the front by the front door on that
No,
shelf?
I had them all out here. I only have 2 left. Well,
Did you ever get them in dirt?
I think the 2 out here are still in water.
Yeah, that might be
That
part
was
of the
the
problem.
last
They
two.
need to get.
Well, those are the last 2
dirt.
I tried doing. Those down there aren't making it. I'm gonna have to dump those.
He's making a whole damn bunch of this stuff. Don't you usually use 1 or 2 avocado?
For you and I, he's.
Oh, so you're saying he's a pig? Okay, I'm good with that.
Wow.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
what you heard her.
Wow. Yeah. You
I
know,
mean, that,
if I had feelings, that would have might hurt
I doubt it.
a little bit. No.
Well, no, you have to understand hurt first.
Well, from what I read in magazines,
Oh,
which
okay.
I don't really understand a whole lot because I'm not a good reader.
You know, I think it was Nomad. Might not have been. Somebody just shared a deal with me off Facebook. Most of the time I don't agree with them, but they were saying, asking if you know the best thing about Republican women.
What is that?
They don't have penises. I'm just telling you what they shared with me.
Yeah. Well,
Some of these people, I ain't sure about them.
well, I mean, you know, Hillary can pee standing up without her leg getting wet.
Right?
You know that, right?
Oh, right, yeah.
I mean, yeah. So,
Yeah.
anywho,
Yeah.
this is, oh, that's a scooper, isn't it? I'm gonna use the same spoon. What do you say?
That'll work for me.
Okay.
In case y'all ain't noticed, Carlos is making something.
Some guacamole.
I was gonna make him guess at it.
Oh, my bad. Okay.
Oh yeah, you done told him now.
Well, you can edit that out.
No, I don't edit. It is what it is.
It is
If
well,
I edited it, I'd lose half my videos.
well,
Oh, he shouldn't have said that. Oh, shouldn't have said that.
yeah. Well, here's the thing. Half of them are not really even gonna pay attention.
There is that.
Just
And
saying.
the other half's done love by now.
I'm sure.
So the
Yeah.
one viewer that you have, you done gave up the surprise. We've been without electricity here for the last several hours.
Yep.
Bad storm moved through, and Grandma just said it dumped about an inch of rain, and I don't know how long the rain, a half hour?
Maybe so. It was
It was hard,
a downpour for sure.
which took out a couple poles around here somewhere, or the line. So we took a nap. We
Not
got-
together.
Right, thank you.
You were supposed to, well, see, since you don't edit, see,
Maybe I should learn how.
I can do it for you.
Our beans that we was cooking in the slow cooker, they quit cooking. Oh, damn it. Now, he makes his guacamole different than Grandma. For one thing, she washes her hands.
Wow.
That's...
Oh, man. You know, if this was a
Can you
championship
feel the
boxing
love?
match, it would have been stopped by now. I mean,
Right?
seriously.
Now, Grandma puts tomato in hers, and he doesn't, which I questioned it when he was getting the stuff. That's when Grandma let me know that that's really optional. I never make the stuff, but and you can leave it kind of chunky too. We don't mind that. I don't know if you leave yours chunky or not.
Mm-hmm.
But I was questioning that, making sure he had got everything, and that's when Grandma informed me that it's really by choice. And after you open those, Grandma's gonna find a can or something, pickled and jalapeno peppers.
I'm just gonna have this out. I'm not gonna use a lot of that.
And that should be sea salt anyway, natural sea salt. Yes.
Would you guys have any garlic powder?
Yeah, it'll be in a bigger bottle. Look up above you. Might be up there, one of those. If not, it right there.
Oh,
Top green one, okay.
this is good too.
Another one.
Oh, perfect. You got the Mexican version?
Of course.
Ajo en polvo.
Yeah. But it says not for Mexicans.
Right. Okay.
So, you know.
Yeah.
What about cumin you was asking? Oh, you got it?
Yep. Got it right here. Got it right here. All right. So
Now, so far, all he has is the avocados.
here's some garlic.
They couldn't see that. Your hand was over the garlic, but that's all right. Most of them can't read anyhow, so show them pictures. Now, I get tired of picking on just you and Jim Dunn. Jim Dunn's back in the hospital.
Is he? Is he all right?
Yeah, basically.
A little weak or something?
He ain't keeping food down and that kind of stuff, according to his folks. So, Jim Dunn, shout outs to you, brother.
Yeah.
Hope you feel better.
For sure, man.
As much as we pick on you, we want to pick on you when you're at your all, so that, you know, you still can't defend yourself, but we want to give you the opportunity.
Oh, that's no good, man. He needs to.
Well,
You should be
it
careful.
actually, with the surgery and stuff he had, it's not overly surprising.
Oh yeah.
Now, I'm not no doctor or nothing, but when you have them kind of surgeries, I'm sure this ain't going to surprise them.
Yeah. Okay. So now here's the secret, guys. It's jalapenos.
Pickled jalapeno.
Yes, but you're only really using the juice out of this to make this a little looser, and the juice really has this good tangy flavor that mixes in with all the ingredients and the guacamole is
And
just
he told me
really
it's
good.
not gonna be hot.
No, it's
Because
not
me and
gonna be
Grandma,
hot.
we do different hot sauces for flavor, not for the heat.
Right.
And
See,
he
this
told
is
me
it.
that it would not make it hot. So if it does make it hot, he's got a whole damn bunch of shit to eat.
Yep.
But then again, he might make it hot so that he don't have to share. This could be a double-edged sword.
It's not like I plot and scheme on
Right.
you guys or anything. Just, I'm just a guy who's here trying to not get deported. That's it.
That's it.
That's
yeah,
it.
I got you.
I'm not here to hurt nobody. I'm
You
just
don't
here
want to worry about the Texas wall.
Right? Okay. Then I switch over here to the spoon, guys, so I don't mash up more of the avocados. You want a little bit of body to it.
Yes, we like a little chunky
Wait.
guacamole.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah,
thought you were going to say
no.
me.
No, you're still growing.
I am a little chunky.
I mean, look at the two of us.
Right? I mean,
I've got him by a landslide. Junior, damn lightweight. And yes, I'm fat. I spend my money on food, not on meth.
There's a meme out there floating with that, and it's funny as heck. There's a little bit of a salt, but not much.
And most of that's because I don't do salt.
Yeah.
And he knows that. So he's trying to cater to my taste, which Little Joe and Crystal, they did real well on catering to mine and Grandma's diets. And I told the young lady that since she had cut back on salts and carbs and all that for me and Grandma, that they really needed to do that for themselves.
Cumin powder.
It's not just for baking.
Mm-hmm.
I think you've done added everything you got out of it, except more of that. And I saved my poor Grandma made us pineapple upside down cake. Oh, it's some good stuff. Let me try a little sample of this.
Let me know if it's salty enough, if it's...
Tastes a lot like Grandma's.
Yeah?
You can hardly taste the pepper, so you didn't overdo it on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Mmm.
You did good for a rookie.
I like that. Yeah.
So we didn't really have a dish or a meal for this to go with. So we're just gonna, he's made it up so we could have some chips with it for a little snack. Our beans and stuff did not get done.
Now here's the other trick too, guys. You want to put a pit or two in here so it won't get brown.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I would definitely let Grandma know that.
Yeah.
And that works.
Mm-hmm. The pit will... Oh, you know what? Lemon juice. I need a couple drops of lemon juice. I was like, is that it?
Then why did you get like 4 of them? Because y'all ate 1 or 2 last night with your fish.
Well, we were having catfish. I thought, hey, we might need more. My bad. That was an un-Mexican moment of me right there.
And that's what I was saying, acting like damn gringo and shit.
Yeah, but the pits, it's the pits.
Right?
It's the pits.
You gotta remember to tell Grandma that part.
Mm-hmm.
But then again, that takes away my excuse for having to eat all of it.
Yeah, so the lemon juice will make it a bit brighter, if you will.
Right. Yeah, I was gonna say lemon juice will also keep it from browning.
Just a little more. Just a smidge. Little zest in there.
Now, do you know how to spell guacamole?
Guacamole.
Good, you're gonna get spelled for this title on this thing.
I can do that.
I know damn good and well me and the spell check's gonna have fun. What are you trying to spell?
It's a computing system error.
Right.
Yeah.
It won't be me. I'll know what I want to spell. It just won't. All right, folks. There, you got it. Been enjoying my time with my brother.
That's right.
Been harassing the hell out of him. He can handle it. Rest of y'all, remember, God loves you, and so do we. Hope you enjoy that. Give it a try. Bye.